Guys, so we have question over here, question number 5, which can be given on SAT test or on other tests, of course, that can be given. So using the equations as shown below, which of the following is a possible value of y minus x? Okay, so that's what we're solving for. That's the instruction. We have two equations here, two absolute value equations. Absolute value of x plus 2 equals to 7. Absolute value of y minus 3 equals to 4. And we have 5 possible answers as well. We have A, which is negative 14, B, which is 7, C, negative 8, D, positive 8, E, negative 3. All right? So let's go for it and see which one is the correct answer. And there's only one correct answer, ladies and gentlemen. Only one is true. Okay? All right, so let's go for it. So now because we have absolute values, equations, so that means we're going to split this one into two equations. That is what? So we have x plus 2 equals to positive 7 and x plus 2 equals to negative 7. So we're going to solve for each of them. So let's go for it. So negative 2, we all know how to solve for this. 7 minus 2 is going to give us 5. So that would be the answer from the first equation. So now we go for the second equation. So we have negative 2, as usual. So x is equal to what? So negative 7, negative 2 is going to give us what? Negative 9. All right? We add and we carry the sign. So then we come in here. So we have y minus 3 equals to 4. And y minus 3 equals to negative 4. All right? So those are the two possible equations also that we're going to solve for here. So this one here is going to be plus 3, y equals to 7. All right? And then this one here, plus 3, y equals to a negative 1. So we have this one, and then we have that one. Okay? So those are the two answers for the x and the two answers for the y. But now, don't forget, what are we looking for? The value of y minus x, right? So y minus x and not x minus y, because people can quickly get mixed up with that and then doing x minus 7. And after all these beautiful works that you've done, now it's going to just be, out of the train. So it's better to pay attention to it. And then we have y, so that would be 7. So we're going to take 7. So one at a time, okay? 7 minus 5, and see what would that give us? So that would give us what, 2? So do we have 2 here? Nope. So this is not good. So we have y, so y, 7 again. So 7 minus 9, so let's do that. So 7 minus 9. So 7 minus negative 9, okay? Don't forget, sorry here, minus negative 9. So what do we end up with? So this one is 7 plus 9, which is 16, right? So that would give us 16. Do we have 16 here? No. All right. And then we go for this one here. So now we're going to use y equals to negative 1. So we use y equals to 7 for the two answers here for the x's. And then now we're going to use the negative 1 for the same one. So let's go for it. So we have negative 1 minus 5. And what would that give us? So that would give us negative 6, all right, which we do not have here. So we have to continue. So then we have negative 1 minus negative 9, okay, which is going to give us what? Negative 1 plus 9. And negative 1 plus 9 is going to give us what? 9 minus 1, which is 8. Okay, so do we have 8 here? Yes. We have 8 here. So this one is good. So that's our final answer here. So D, 8 is the perfect answer for all 4 here. So that's it. Yeah. So you take your time, look at the problem. You're talking about absolute values, equations here. Take your time, solve for them, and then you're going to be fine. All right? Okay.